Do you want to learn new ways to add the Ocho Cortado to your dancing? When you know about the 3 new ways to add the Ocho Cortado, you will have much more possibilities in your dancing.
Hi, we are Pablo and Anne from Tango Space,
where we help men and women in London to move better, express themselves, dance elegantly and meet friendly people without tango lessons. In this video, we want to work with you on 3 new and different ways to do the Ocho Cortado. We've been teaching for a really long time together to thousands of students, and we've had to come up with new ways, new creative ways to teach the Ocho Cortado. We are going to share our favorite ones with you so that you have more possibilities in your dancing and have more fun. Before we start with the teaching, I just want to let you know there are some common mistakes that we see a lot of people do with the Ocho Cortado. We have listed them one by one in a video guide. I will put the link in the comment below so that if you want to access the guide, you can have a look and correct them. So the first possibility is with the contragiro.
Yes, so now we are going to show you the first way to do the Ocho Cortado from the contragiro. So now we are going to break down the steps for the leaders. So we initiate with the apertura, with the side step, and I'm going to invite her to do back ocho. So I go to the side with her, and now when I invite her to do the second back ocho, I'm going to go around her. Yes. So this is very important to coordinate the movement in a way that at the same time that we are inviting her to go back, we are going forward. Yes. So we are going around her axis. So leaders, be careful not to lose the connection with your partner by doing this. Yeah? So the intention has to be always with your partner. So here with my center, I go around her. I find stability in my right leg. I'm going to pivot and then invite her to do the rebound. So she does forward, side, Ocho Cortado, and cross. So now let's look at this from another angle. Ocho, around, Ocho Cortado.
Now let's look at a few technique tips for the ladies. The steps are relatively simple, you know them, but I will remind you. So we start with the back ocho. And here, in the contragiro movement, he's inviting us to go back to our in between both legs, and we want to make sure that we are not trying to stay connected with the chest to him. We're really going back into our axis with a straight back. And the second thing we want to think about here is to really stay dissociated, so we keep the intention towards our partner, not here, really following him with the center of the chest. So I keep my dissociation, forward step, side step, and then we cut with the Ocho Cortado.
Now the second way to do the Ocho Cortado is a very nice and different way, that is with the parada. Yes? The leader is stopping the woman in the side step with the leg. Instead of just stopping her with the torso, we are doing with the leg. Yes? Okay, now we are going to break down the steps for the leaders. So we start with the side step, apertura. I step outside with my right leg in parallel system. 1, 2 steps, contraposition. Here the intention, and then we go back. And now when I invite her to do the side step, I'm going to stop her with my right foot, almost like a sacada. Yes? I need to find the contact with her foot and stop her. And now at the same time that I invite her to cross, I'm going to take out my leg for her to have the space. Yes? Now we'll show you from another angle.
So let's look at 2 technique tips for the ladies. They have to do with you really being connected with your partner and also making sure that you are an active partner in the dancing. So the first tip is during the rebound, we want to really keep our intention and our connection with our partner. So if we do side, back, back, this is the moment of the rebound. He's not asking us to do a full step here, alright? He's just taking a forward step for us, back step for us, but he's cutting the movement. So we don't have the time to go back into the heel. If we do that, we're losing the connection. We want to just stay in the front of the foot and then go forward with him. The second tip is to think that even though these are small steps, we want to be an active partner for our partner. So we want to make sure that we don't do steps that don't have any power. 2 things to think about is to have legs that are relatively stretched, okay, not with the knee bent. And also, in the rebound, we want to really push the floor to go towards him. So we don't want to have no energy into our step, we want to push the floor to go towards him.
Okay, now we are going to show you the third possibility of how to do the Ocho Cortado, and in this case we are not going to use the contraposition, the rebound. So we are going to go into the Ocho Cortado straight away from the walk, yes? We are starting this moment from walking backward for the leader and forward for the follower. We show you now the close embrace. Okay, so now we are going to break down the step for the leaders. So we are going to start walking backwards. So it's only 1 step, but I need to give the intention to her. Yes? So it's not that I go and then she just follows. Yes? I need to prepare my partner to the forward step. Otherwise, she will not know. Yes? So I need to create this circular motion. Yes? So with my center, I kind of send her there, and then I invite her to go forward. Yes, it's an invitation. It's not that I'm going and she just follows. So I invite her, and then we go together. I transfer my weight, she transfers her weight, and now I invite her to go forward, side. So I follow her with my torso and with a pivot. Yes? So my foot is always in front of her. And then from here, I invite her to do the cross, and we collect together, and we come out. Now we are going to show you from another angle.
For the ladies, if you want, you can follow them and just go with the flow, or you can add a little decoration, which is a little hook on their legs at the beginning in the forward step. So let us show you. Here we take a forward step with them, and if it goes with the music, we can, before we take our next forward step, we can do a little hook on the leg, boom, and then next forward step. Side, cross, and back. Now we are curious. Can you please tell us, let us know in the comments below which one you prefer and which one you will include into your dancing? Is it way number 1 with the contragiro? Is it way number 2 with the parada? Or is it way number 3 with a backstep and a little decoration for the followers? Now, if you are anything like us, we know that you want to look good and be as smooth and elegant as possible in your dancing. We know you take a lot of lessons, and sometimes we see that our students, even though they take a lot of lessons, still do some common mistakes that we see in the Ocho Cortado. We've all been there, we've all done them, so we have listed them, 3 most common mistakes of the Ocho Cortados, and we have given you tips to avoid them. We put all of this together into a video guide. We will put it in the links in the comment below. If you want to check it out, click on it, access it, and it's going to really have an impact on your dancing.
And please, if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends.
Yes, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and especially,
please keep learning and keep sharing your dancing, because the world of tango needs your embrace.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye. Bye.